Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily copy a selected object within the Layout Designer window by clicking the Copy button within the toolbar at the top of the window. The copy of the selected object will then appear slightly down and to the right of the original. You can then move the copy to a new place within the window and edit it as needed. You can also copy the formatting properties of a selected object and paste only the copied formatting onto other objects within the Layout Designer window. This is a useful feature that lets you format the appearance of a single object and then copy that appearance onto other objects without having to manually open the Properties dialog box to change the formatting for each item individually. To copy the formatting of a selected object, click the Copy Format button within the toolbar at the top of the window. The button will then change to the End Format button. Place your mouse pointer over the object to which you want to paste the formatting of the object whose formatting you just copied. Note that your mouse pointer will now appear as a paintbrush icon when held over objects within the window. Click the object to paste the copied formatting. Repeat this process until you have applied the copied formatting to all the necessary objects within the Layout Designer window. When finished, click the End Format button to turn this feature off and return to your normal arrow selector mouse pointer.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.